So Fulham 0, Arsenal 3. Didn't really do us justice, really. It was a 5-star performance, clean sheet settings. First player, apparently, in Premier League history to get a hat-trick of assists in half of football. One half of football. Trossardinho. Matty, we've been screaming from the rafters, man, from the rooftops. Get Trossard in now. We've been saying that for time. And 60 million cheaper than Midrick down at Chelsea. Wow, what a performance from him. Rightly got man of the match. Odegaard, sick goal, fantastic performance. Tom, bro, they were all good. Listen, it's your fan cam. The mic's yours, bro. Talk to me.
Brother, first things first, I want to say congratulations to the boys, man. They came out, they gave a resounding performance today. Today, they came into the game pissed off. A response was needed based off of what we saw this past week. They came in, they threw the hammer down, and they looked refreshed. I don't know what happened between Thursday and today, but whatever they did, do it again. They need to do it again because they look like hornets coming out of a slap nest, man. And I'm telling you, bro, Trossard, Lee, it's just such a joy to watch him play, man. It's such a joy to watch a competent footballer he just goes right, just does his job and bang, 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 and just makes it look he makes it look so easy, man. And we paid pennies on the dollar for this man. Pennies on the dollar.
21 mil.
Yeah, they were telling us to go spend 90 million on this cat that was washing cars in Ukraine. Or at Shakhtar Donetsk. He was washing cars.
Oh, dear.
Cleaning baseboards at people's houses.
Premier League proven quality gets you Premier League proven quality output.
Yeah.
Who knew?
I mean, what have we've been seeing for the last year? Go get these Premier League proven players, guys that we have seen do it. We have a body of work, and this is what you get. Odegaard out there doing his best Ozil impression, dropping the shoulder, boom, bang, go. I was just like, look
left
at
shoulder
this.
drop.
Look at this. I mean, it was just amazing. Jesus comes back today, looked refreshed. I mean, this is it. This looked like prime 2008 Arsenal right here. For all y'all youngsters, this is what we saw back in the year Eduardo went down. This is what it was looking like. It was just, it was sexy. Just sexy champagne football. I mean, it was just
Pass
like that one.
Bro, it was sick. Pass and move football. Thomas Partey today, yeah, by the way.
Did you see that?
Did you see being a midfield general? Yeah.
Did you see the drag back he did? He just put it.
Bro, bro, that was just disgusting. I can't lie. But did you see how many nutmegs happened in that game?
Yeah. I mean, it was just all over the place. It was a joke. It was a joke, man.
I think we look so energized today. Yeah, because I think the fact that Trossard came into the team, we didn't see him in midweek. Yeah, I think that gave, obviously the players would know who's starting because they get sat in the team talk and all that. But the fans at the ground were like, maybe we'll see Trossard, maybe we'll see Jesus. Yeah, but then they see the team sheet and we go, Ross, Trossard starting, bang, instant lift for the fans. Jesus bench, boom. Yeah, all of a sudden we're like, wow. Yeah, we're looking all right. Yeah, Odegaard starting, didn't start midweek. Illness, Tierney's back as well, bench. Yeah, all of a sudden the fans are up at the ground. The fans around the world, like me and you, yeah, boom. Yeah, all of a sudden the whole fan base is lifted. Yeah, and listen, people underplay it. Yeah, right. Just because we're not at the game doesn't mean that they don't feel that energy. Yeah, because listen, yeah, cool. In that little bubble, they're 10 minutes, 20 minutes, an hour before kickoff. They're not looking at social media. But as soon as Arsenal drop that team news an hour before kickoff, best believe most of that squad are sitting there looking through the tweet. Yeah, they're looking through the Insta, the Facebook. Yeah, and they go, oh my God, yeah, Trossard. But Trossard must have been sitting there reading some of the stuff about him, thinking, right, I'm flying. Yeah, Partey, bang, Odegaard, bang. Bro, it was insane. That was the best performance we've had since pre-World Cup. Yeah, that is easily our best performance since before the World Cup because the way we blew them away. And listen, let's not take anything away from Fulham. They're flying.
It was 7. People forget Fulham had 7 straight wins coming into this game today. That was cause for concern. We all, 7 in a row in the league. and they were looking good, and there was cause for concern. I mean, Craven Cottage has been a tough place to play at. Man, it's tricky. Jez
We've
talked
got a
about it.
good record there, but I make you right. Yeah,
Yeah,
it's not
yeah.
easy to go
I mean,
there and get a result.
yeah, Jez talked about it. We talked about it Friday, and Jez said, "Yes, it's a right tricky ground, and it has always been one of those spots that you give them 1 or 2 goals, and it's a whole different ball game." But the boys came in, man, and they were just about as fine as that wine that Jez be sipping on over there.
Yeah.
Boy, that today, I'm telling you, Lee Gunner, man, I sat there and I was cooking, man, and I was in the kitchen sitting there watching the game, man, and I just the passing, man, it was just the Nola. If Granny Shaka would have scored that goal today, man,
Oh, bro, that's goal of the
Christ.
season.
That was
the
it. Yeah, that
passing,
was
the movement, the little feint, run over the ball. Do you remember when we scored against Leicester?
Yeah.
Aubameyang scored against Leicester, and Martin Tyler's commentary.
Yeah.
The hard running style, and then
Yeah.
Ozil did the back heel, then Ozil did the little scoop, and then Aubameyang and bro, that was exactly the same today.
Yeah.
Right. And the last time we see that was then, and that was what, 4 years ago. I think that was Emery ball.
And before that, it was Wenger ball.
Like I said, it was Wenger ball. You're right. You're right.
I mean, we used to sell. Put this in preface for the youngsters that's watching. All my youngsters. We used to see that all the time.
Every game.
That was every game.
From 97, 98, maybe, all the way to 2006, 7, 8. Yeah, every week.
Every week, bro. Every week. We were dropping Norwich type goals every week, man. It was just bang, bang. Thank you, man. 1, 2, 3, 4. I mean, literally, we were the team that made teams start parking the bus.
Yeah, facts. Absolutely. Bro, that Henri, well, the legends that are behind me, you can't see the others off screen, but Perez and all of them ones, bro, you're right. That football back then, was different gravy, and it was pass and move. And we've seen that with Chelsea in 06. Yeah, they were very good in 06. We've seen that with Manchester City, Centurions. We've seen that with Liverpool at times, under Klopp. Yeah, but you don't see it week in, week out. And do you know what? I don't think any of us expected that today, especially after the back of Bournemouth, Sporting, Villa, like Leicester. Cool, we won the game 1-0. It was the most comfortable game ever, but it weren't like we're carving teams apart. Today, all of a sudden, it was like, whoa, what's happening here? Like, we literally should have won 6-7-0.
I heard something this weekend, and when I heard it, I thought about it, and I said, yeah, it's facts. We are a much better team to watch than Man City.
Yeah,
we're playing much better football. You watch, they're scuffling, man. City's like they're just trying to get scuffling, trying to get over the line, But when you watch us, even if the games are tight, it's a better watch this year. The football, and I have to give Arteta his props on this. The football is better to watch than what we've seen the last 3 years. You can sit there. I remember it was at times last year, Lee, me and you were like, what the hell are we watching?
What's the game plan? What's the style of play?
Yeah, clearly you can see the style of play this year. It's bang, 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 bang. Get it over with quick.
Why do you think that's changed there? Because I said to you a minute ago, I said you buy Premier League proven players, you get Premier League proven output. Yeah, Jesus, Zinchenko, Trossard. Yeah, Saliba obviously has come into the team this season. Can I just say, by the way, as well, Benjamin White. Yeah, Oliver was saying in the watch long, if Saliba's injured, put Benjamin White as centre. I said, no, I don't ever want to see him right away again. Yeah, he is the best right back in the league, and he has been all season. Trippier's up there with him, but there ain't no other right back better than him. But them 3 players before Saliba that I just mentioned, I think that's why we're suddenly boom. Yeah, because we've brought in 2 winners, in Zinchenko and Jesus, that have come from Manchester City. So instantly they want to prove the point that they can do it without Pep.
Yep.
Yeah. They've trusted Arteta, which is why they come. And both of them have been brilliant. Yeah, let's be real. Like, there's times where I look at Zinchenko and I'm like, come on, bro. Like,
he drives on
the right wing. Yeah. But at the same time, they've elevated us. Jorginho is coming. He's done all right when he's coming.
Yeah.
Again, a Premier League player. Trossard is coming. He's been electric, bro. He's been sick. Yeah. And it just shows, man. Yeah. And now, with 11 games to go, bro.
Let me show you something, Lee. Let me show you something, Lee. You look at the game today and you look at the bench. Look at the players we brought off the bench today. If everyone can stay healthy, I don't see us having really any problem because that is what I've been looking for all year. Is to where you can take off 3 or 4 players and put on 3 or 4 like-minded players. I do not want to see Rob Holding in that batch. And I'm sorry to say it, somebody, Nketiah, thank you for the goals, but my friend, you are now back at the back of the line again, my friend. And we'll call you when we need you. But right now,
Yeah, man. We'll make sure we got the credit.
yeah, just exactly. Resounding
It's true, though, man.
performance.
That bench today was probably our strongest bench of the season.
It was. No, and I know for a fact it was. 'Cause I was sitting there looking at it and I said, we hadn't had a bench this strong all year because we had
There's
players that
only
were still hurt.
2 players missing. I know Kivior wasn't on the bench today for whatever reason, yeah. But only 2 players out with injury: Eddie and El Nini.
And everybody else when we started the season,
we got Smith Rowe back on there. We got Tierney on there. Tierney has won more trophies than anyone at the football club. Yeah, experience. Tommy Asu, comfortable every time he plays. Yeah, off the bench. Sometimes when he starts, he's a bit iffy, but off the bench, reliable. Yeah, then you've got Vieira. Come off the bench there. I thought he played really well when he came.
He did well. Yeah, he did well.
Yeah, I thought he played well in midweek as well.
I hate he tripped over himself. I hate he did to Steven Gerrard, but
I don't know how we got a free kick for that, by the way. But yeah, you're right, man. Listen, 11 more games to go, and I think a lot of people need to realise. Do you know what? We got Palace next weekend. Them lot are playing in the cup. We can go 8 clear. International break. First game back, we got Leeds. They got Liverpool.
Yeah.
All of a sudden, we could be double digits clear with them a game in hand, and then we have Liverpool. If that's the case, bro, if they get a draw, if Liverpool get a draw at the Etihad and we do Leeds like I think we will, yeah, all of a sudden we're what? We'll be 8 if we beat Palace. We'll be 10 points clear. Yeah, go into Anfield, park the bus, take a 0-0. I don't give a shit.
All day.
Get out of there with saying, yeah, and just leave. Another game off the ball. That's now 9 games. Yeah, 8 games left or whatever it is. Go to the Etihad, park the bus, get a draw. That's now a few games less. All of a sudden, bro, we're now 7, 8, 6 points clear. You ain't catching us from that.
You remember that thing I said a couple of weeks ago about 6 games in a row? We need 6, 7 games. Remember that? It's starting to show up. I told you we get these wins, man, and Etihad won't even matter, man. And that's the way I like.
We've won 5 straight games. We're the most informed team in the league.
There you go.
Who would have said that after we'd lost to Man City, Everton, and drew with Brentford? All of a sudden, fair play to Arteta, fair play to the squad. Yeah, managing a thin squad with Europa League kicking back in. But today, do you know what? We rolled it back to the start of the season, bro. The title's ours. It's coming, baby. It's coming.
We are competing, fellas. We're competing. That's all we wanted, man. We are competing. We're competing. Let's go get this trophy, fellas.
Make sure you sub to Matty's channel, people. Southern Guna. The Southern Guna. Link in description. We're out of it. It's coming, baby. It's coming. Up the Arsenal. Come on.